How to activate your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's begin with the video. On your Windows screen, in the search bar, please type Settings. Open up the Settings menu. Here we want to click on System option. And underneath System, we have a bunch of options. Scroll down to the bottom and you will find About. Go ahead and click on About section. Now scroll down and under Related option, you will see Product Key and Activation. Open it up. Here you could go ahead and activate your Windows. Mine Windows activation state is active. Window is activated with a digital license. And if you have the window that is not activated yet, you will see activation state is not active. Now, if we open up this drop down, we will find several options. The first option we have is change the product key. You could just go ahead and click on the change button. This will ask you to enter your Windows product key. Once you have entered the correct product key, go ahead and click on next and your Windows will be activated. If you don't have a product key, that's also fine. You could get a new license from Microsoft Store app. If you click on Open Store, this will directly take you to the Microsoft Store. Now here we could just go ahead and get the Windows, and if we have the product key, you could just click on this option. This will take you back on the activation page. As we don't have the product key, you could just go ahead and get the Windows 11 for us. As I am already on the upgraded version of Windows 11, that is Windows 11 Pro, this is not asking me to upgrade my Windows. If you are at Windows 11 Home Edition, this will also give you an option to upgrade your Windows 11. Let's click Next. Just go ahead, add your payment details, and buy Windows for your PC. To buy from the store, also make sure you are logged in with your email into a Microsoft Store. So that's it about today's quick and simple video on how to activate your Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.